everybody, and welcome back to Pretty Healthy with Preetha. In the last couple of weeks, a lot of you have been watching the Pretty Healthy with Preetha videos. In fact, a lot of you came back saying that, I watched one video, I liked it a lot, I liked the way you host this show, and I ended up watching all the videos. Thank you, everybody. Many of you sent your comments, and as much as possible, I've tried to acknowledge all these comments. A lot of you sent a lot of questions and clarifications, and I've tried my level best to ensure that I've responded to all of you. In fact, many of you came offline and told me that, why don't you do a live session? So keeping all of that in mind, I am going to do a live session across 3 platforms, which is Facebook, YouTube and Insta. So on Facebook, if you tune into Raaghav Ranganathan page, you can find me. On Insta, it's my handle, Preetha Raaghav handle, and the YouTube channel, Raaghav Preetha channel, YouTube channel. So you can get into any one of these platforms and be a part of the live show. So as I said, it's going to be on the 16th, which is a Sunday. What time? So 8 p.m. India time, 2:30 p.m. UK time, and 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will see you all in the live session of Pretty Healthy with Preetha.